Wars partnered with United Airlines ahead of the release of their next film in the franchise, The Rise of Skywalker. The plane, a Boeing 737-800, took its first flight earlier in November from Houston George Bush Intercontinental to Orlando International Airport in the US. It welcomed its passengers in true Star Wars style. As passengers boarded the plane, the Star Wars track was played in the aircraft. The passengers also received themed toiletry kits that included essential items. Now for the aircraft. United Airlines shared the making of the plane on Instagram. It was repainted with grey, silver and black colors and it appears straight out of the Star Wars universe. Take a look. Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker will release on December 20th. NYOOOZ Desk.